Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to do an eBay auction in 2025. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, eBay's auction feature is a fantastic way to maximize your earnings. With the 2025 updates, it's easier and more secure than ever. Let's jump right in. First things first, you need an eBay account. If you don't have one, head to the eBay website or app and sign up. It's free and quick. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sell section. This is your gateway to turning your items into cash. Now, let's list your item. Start by entering a catchy title that includes keywords buyers might search for, like Vintage Camera 2025 Edition. Next, write a detailed description. Be honest about the condition, features, and any flaws. Don't forget to add high-quality photos from multiple angles. eBay's 2025 tools even let you use AI to enhance images for better visibility. Setting up the auction is where the fun begins. Choose the auction format and set a starting price. Keep it low to attract bids, but not too low. Decide on the duration, from 1 day up to 10 days, based on how quickly you want to sell. Also, configure shipping options and payment methods. eBay now integrates seamlessly with global shipping partners for 2025. As your auction goes live, monitor it closely. Check for questions from potential buyers and respond promptly. That builds trust. If bids start rolling in, great. eBay's new 2025 dashboard gives real-time analytics on bidder activity. Once the auction ends, the highest bidder wins. You'll handle payment through eBay's secure system, and then ship the item promptly to keep your seller rating high. Remember, positive feedback is key to long-term success. There you have it, eBay auctions made simple for 2025. If you follow these steps, you'll be selling like a pro in no time. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.